Next topic is 3.4 prime factorizations. Factorizations of a number means expressing it in terms of its factors. Example 48. 48. What is the factor of 48 is? First 2 tables and 2 into 24, that is 48. 2 is the prime number, 24 is composite. Next 48. The next table is 6 into 8. Here 6 is composite and 2 is also composite. The next one is 48. Same 48. The next table is 4. 4 into 12. 4 also composite. 12 also composite. 48. The last one is 3 into 16. Here 3 is a prime number, 16 is a composite number. These are the factors of 48. 2 into 24, 6 into 8, 4 into 12, 3 into 16. Factorization. A factorization of a number in which every factor is prime is called a prime factorization. Example 48. That is, first value is 2 into 24. Here 2 is the prime number, so represented in circle. 24 is a composite number, represented in square. So you can find the factors of 24 now. 2 into 12. 2 is a prime number, 12 is a composite number. Now find the factors of 12, that is 2 into 6. Here the prime factorization is every factors is prime numbers. So the factors of this are 2, 2, 2, 2 is the prime numbers. 6, find the 6 is the composite number. So you can change to find the factors of prime numbers. 2 into 3. Now the factors of 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the factors of 48. Prime factorizations of 48. Method of prime factorization is LCM method. That is 48 using the prime numbers only. 3 times, 3 tables 16 times, 2 tables 8 times, 2 tables 4 times, 2 tables 2 times and 2 times 1. Now the prime numbers here, these are the using only the prime numbers. The values is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Prime factorization of 48 is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4.4. Second question. Determine the prime factors of each of the following. 8th Roman 945. Find the prime factors. Solution. Using the LCM method of prime factorization. 945. 3 tables 315 times. Same 3 tables 105 times. 3 tables 35 times. 5 tables 7 times. 5 is a prime number. Next 7 also prime number and 1. The prime factors of 945 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. 945 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Exercise 4.4. Second question, homework sums. First Roman, second Roman, sixth Roman, seventh Roman, 13th Roman and 14th Roman. These are the homework sums. Next, third question. In which of the following examples are prime factorizations? Done correctly. Correct the wrong ones. The first Roman, 24 is equal to 4 into 3 into 2. Solution. So the question is 24 is equal to 4 into 3 into 2. The question is, in which of the following examples are prime factorizations? Prime numbers only. Using the prime numbers only. Here 4 is not a prime number, that is a composite number. Now you can, using the prime factorizations, 2 times, that is 12, 2 tables 6, 2 tables 3, 1 times. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. This is the correct prime factorization of 24. Third question, homework sums. Second Roman, third Roman and fourth Roman. These are the homework sums. Question, find out the prime factors of the following numbers. Pick out those factors that are co-prime to each other. Find their product. Check to see if this product divides the number without leaving a remainder. The first Roman is 24. Now find the prime factors of 24. Solution. This is the prime factors of 24. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime numbers. Now the factors of 24 is 2 and 3. The factors of 24 is 2 and 3. Pick out those factors of co-prime to check other. 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. Now 2 is equal to 2 into 1. 3 is equal to 3 into 1. Here 1 is the common factors. So these two numbers are co-prime. The next one is find the products. Here the factors is 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now you can check to see if this product divides the numbers without leaving a remainder. Here the product is 6. So 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. So this is the product of two factors. Check to see if this product divides the numbers without leaving the remainder. Fourth question, homework sum. Second Roman, fourth Roman, ninth Roman and 10th Roman. These are the homework sums.